Picture a high-frequency trading algorithm stringing together weeks of perfect execution. Month after month, it prints consistent, uninterrupted gains in a steady market environment. Then, the entire system evaporates 6 months of profit in a single week. The momentum vanishes, and the algorithm bleeds capital on every entry. This is the black box trap. Retail traders frequently buy commercial expert advisors, plug them into their charting software, and go to sleep expecting a linear equity curve. The fatal flaw in these automated systems is an assumption of permanence. They calculate entries as if financial markets are static mathematical formulas, rather than dynamic, shifting ecosystems. When the environment changes, a phenomenon called strategy decay takes hold. A machine learning model trained entirely during a period of low interest rates and steady trends will completely choke the moment aggressive central bank tightening creates a spike in volatility. Surviving in algorithmic trading means stopping the hunt for a mythical, foolproof bot. Instead, you have to diagnose exactly how and why these models break down. To understand why a model fails in a live environment, we have to perform a forensic audit on the historical data it was fed during training. Many retail algorithms suffer from aggressive overfitting. They essentially memorize the historical noise of past charts, rather than learning the underlying institutional logic driving the price action. But the most lethal flaw is a quiet one: look-ahead bias. It is the exact reason a strategy looks like an absolute genius in your backtesting software, only to guarantee a collapse when deployed with real capital. Take the Commitment of Traders report. This data describes commercial hedging positions from earlier in the week, but it is released with a delay. If you feed that information to a historical chart bar before its true publication time, you are handing the machine future knowledge no live trader could have accessed. Without strict timestamp discipline, what looks like a highly profitable edge is often just a data leak hiding in plain sight. Fixing this requires a pivot in how we instruct the machine. Instead of asking an AI, "Should I buy?" we need to start asking, "What kind of market are we currently in?" Machine learning algorithms like random forest or k-means clustering can scan thousands of historical days with similar price signatures. They group these clusters to classify the current market climate, telling you if the regime is trending, ranging, or gearing up for a reversal. This chart displays raw, basic, open, high, low, close data points. If you only feed an algorithm these bare coordinates, it lacks the broader context necessary to survive an unexpected shift in price delivery. To solve this, institutional models use feature engineering. This translates market logic into a contextual map for the AI. Here, we calculate the exact distance in pips from the current price to the weekly high liquidity pool. Next, we map exhaustion metrics. We engineer a feature to check if the pair has hit 90% of its average daily range, signaling a higher probability of a reversal. Finally, we encode smart money concepts directly into the machine. We tag specific fair value gaps as binary inputs, a 1 for present, a 0 for absent, so the AI can recognize high probability setups inside the correct market regime. An artificial intelligence system is ultimately only as intelligent as the depth, precision, and quality of the engineered data it consumes. This brings us to the Centaur trader approach. Borrowed from chess, it pairs the raw, data-crunching capacity of machine learning with the nuanced, discretionary oversight of a human. The AI handles the heavy lifting. It instantly calculates correlations across 28 currency pairs, scanning for institutional logic and filtering for correct regime alignment. You, the human, act as the contextual circuit breaker. If your technical AI signal says long on the dollar, but natural language processing models score the Federal Reserve's latest transcript as deeply dovish, you recognize the conflict and override the machine. Human traders also apply critical timing intuition. Algorithms often struggle in low liquidity dead zones, so you manually restrict AI execution to specific high-volume kill zones like the London and New York Opens. To ensure longevity, Centaur traders implement walk-forward analysis and strict value thresholds. If a model's live drawdown exceeds its historical backtest limit, you have a hard statistical boundary telling you the regime has changed, and it is time to pull the plug. AI is a powerful analytical filter to clear away analysis paralysis, but you remain the analyst, the master, and the final kill switch. Evolve your methodology today. Download the Centaur Trader checklist in the description to start integrating engineered data. and explore the FXNX AI Sentiment Dashboard to bridge the gap between machine precision and human intuition.